Yo, what is up, guys? It is Britt and I am back with another video. Today I am going to be doing this glitter cut crease. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but I was really scared, and I wasn't really going to post this. I wasn't really going to film this. I was just messing around in the bathroom. I'm like, oh, okay. So I just grabbed my camera, set up, and started filming me doing my other eye and my whole face. And this is cute. I actually did it with these glasses on. Like, what do you guys think? I like them. I like them. I like the glasses with it. If you want to know where I got these glasses, I will link them down in the description below. And yeah, I'm just done talking. I know you guys want to see how you get this look, so if you want to know how to get this look, keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my lids using the AOA Studio Wonder Cover in the shade Bisque or Biscuit, one of those two, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend all of that out all over my eyelid, and then I do put a translucent powder to set that into place. Next, I'm going into my Morphe 35OM palette, and I'm just going to take that shade right there, and I'm using that as a transition color into my crease. Well, I'm putting it above my crease because I do have hooded eyelids, and I am trying to make my eye look a little bigger. So therefore, I'm going to be blending this a little bit above my crease. Next, I will be going into that dark brown shade that my brush is obviously not on, and I'm just going to also blend that above my crease a little bit to add some depth to my eye. And finally, I'll be going into that dark chocolate brown shade that's in the corner of the palette, and I'm just going to also blend that into my crease. Okay, so this is a great trick for if you have hooded eyelids and you're trying to do a cut crease. What you want to do is take a thick concealer and then just put that all over your eyelid, and then look up, and then boom, it will create like an outline for you to do your crease. So it's just like very simple. I'm just taking that nice light concealer that I use to prime my lids, but this time I'm not setting it with the translucent powder because it makes the eyeshadow stick better if you don't like set that with the translucent powder. So I'm just going to fill it in, the rest of it, with my concealer, and then I'm going to go into my Colourpop Yes Please palette and take that nice beautiful yellow shade, and I'm packing this shadow on. The color does come off, but I wanted it deeper, so I just kept packing the shadow on. So now I'm just taking my blending brush, and I'm just taking some of those crease colors and whatever is left off on my brush, and I'm just going to smoke out my outer corner and also just make sure everything is blended nice.
Okay, so here is the part where you add the glitter. So what I did was I took some E.L.F glitter primer and I took a nice small angled brush, and basically as soon as I put the primer on like one part of the eye, I just immediately put on the glitter. The glitter I'm using is the AOA Diamond glitter in the shade Moonstone, and as you see, I'm just like putting the glitter primer in the glitter, following that cut crease. Moving on to my face, I'll be using the E.L.F Poreless primer. I love this primer so much. And then after that, I'm just going to set my primer into place using my AOA Studio banana powder, just to set that all in place so I can control these oils that I have that I really need to control. Okay, so now for foundation, I am using my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, in the shade Cappuccino. Now on camera, it looks like it does not match my skin, and it does not match my face and my neck and my chest, and I'm telling you, it matches my chest and my neck. I don't know why my camera does this. Like every time I have a foundation that really perfectly matches my skin, it just does not want to show up on camera. It looks like I don't know how to match my foundation. But I just want to give you guys the heads up before you come for me in the comments talk about it don't match your skin. Like, yes it does, okay? Yes it does. Next, we are covering up these daggone dark circles that I have underneath my eyes, and I'm just going to use the Colourpop like no filter concealer in the shade Deep Golden. I love this concealer. And to contour, bringing it back to my channel, I am using the Black Radiance cream contour palette. This is the deep one, and I'm just going to put that all over, like on my cheekbones, to make my cheekbones pop just a little bit more. I didn't really do it on my forehead. I didn't do it on my forehead because I was going to just use bronzer for my forehead. So as you guys can see, I was doing one cheek at a time just to blend it out, because you know sometimes I can go a little overboard. And then now I blended out my concealer, and I am taking my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and I am setting under my eyes and the rest of my face. So now I'm going to go in with my bronzer. This is the Sun Glow Shimmer Bronzer. I got this off of shop Miss A, and I'm just going to bronze up my skin. I can't believe this bronzer was just $1. I really like this bronzer a lot. But yeah, just keep bronzing up that skin. So now I'm just going to take that Aesthetica palette, and I'm just going to take that shade and dust away all of that loose powder that's under my eyes or wherever I was baking, to add some color back to my face. And now I'm going into my Shiny Cosmetics blush palette, and I'm taking that nice orangey shade and just blushing up them cheeks just a little bit. Using yet another AOA Studio product, I'm using their individual highlighter in the shade Lunar, not Luna, Lunar. And I'm just going to highlight my nose, my cheekbones, my cupid bow, and then I also add this into the corner of my eye to make that color pop just a little bit. And now I am lining my lips with my NYX, well, y'all know, my NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. I would say Espresso, it's Espresso. And then after that, I take my Colourpop, what's it called? What's their lip glosses? It's a lip gloss. It's the Colourpop lip gloss in the shade Cabana Boy, and I'm just going to put that all over my lips to blend it together, to blend the lip liner and the lip gloss together. And I add a lot because I wanted my lips to shine. And then after that, I'm just waiting until it shows up. I'm just going to wait until it shows up because, you know. Now I'm just going to set my face with my favorite setting spray, the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And that is it for this look.
That is it for the end of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually like them with the glasses. Like, these are cute. Fashion Nova, baby. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a cute look and I love it so much. If you really like this look, give this video a big old thumbs up. Comment down below and tell me what other videos you want me to do. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell next to it, so you know when I post the videos. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye!
I don't see you go like that, I must say that I'm proud. Thinking about the times when you were going to my house. Ay, had to let you go like that, I say it fucked me up.